Hi, my name's Ivory. I own Incite Strategies Credit Repair. We help people to resolve credit issues. This business was started after being in the financial services industry for several years. Previously, I worked on the default side at one of the largest banks, helping to interpret credit policy and the default processes and working on regulatory issues and Department of Justice consent orders. I moved into financial planning but realized what was missing in the financial services industry is a high focus on education around credit, how to resolve credit issues, and how to build credit. And that's where this company was born. So what we do is we help people to improve their credit or to establish credit for those who don't have any credit history. We work specifically on the processes around removing negative information from the credit reports. So we'll work directly with the credit bureaus, creditors, and collection companies. Our role in that process is making sure that what appears on the credit report is compliant with the laws, compliant with the Fair Debt Collections Practices Act and Fair Credit Reporting Act. For us to do that effectively, we like to work directly with the loan officer because most of our clients are trying to get a mortgage. That's their inevitable goal. So we want to be that go-between that works with the loan officer and the client, so we don't have the client trying to play telephone between the two of us. So we want to take a team-oriented approach to resolving these issues. Most of our clients work with us for about 6 to 8 months, depending on where they start in the process. If there's only a couple of items that we need to fix, or they're that 10 points away from qualifying, process is significantly faster. The way we would work with you as a loan officer is we would start by being introduced to your client. That can be done in a myriad of ways. We find most of our clients are sent to us through an affiliate portal. So we would set you up with a website dedicated to you to where you can send the information of your client over, including a credit report if you've pulled credit. This gives us a good understanding of exactly where that client's starting, so we can build a strategy tailored to them and give them more expectations in that initial consultation as far as how long that process is going to take for them. The other way you can refer clients to us is through email, an email introduction with my contact information as well as that client's contact information. Or lastly, you can also just give them our phone number, our website, or our email address. If you do it that way, we just ask that you send us an email as well so we know to expect that that client is coming from you. Every client that is sent our way that you refer can be tracked in your affiliate portal. So you can see where they started with their credit score, how they're progressing, and then once a month we provide the client with updates. When there are big jumps in credit scores, we include you on those email updates to make sure you're tied in the loop. Again, our goal is to make sure that you are still in front of them, that they're not forgetting that you're the one that set them up for the success so that they could finally purchase the home that they wanted or do the refinance that they were working towards. That's a little bit about how we would work with you. As far as the client side, what the client can expect is that we're going to communicate with them and provide them with updates at least monthly. We're there for consultations whenever they have questions. And in conjunction with us removing negative information from their credit reports, we're also putting together a credit building plan. So that credit building plan is a series of steps and actions that they can take in conjunction with our process to see their scores rise even higher and even faster. It can be things like, how do they pay off credit cards? What credit cards do they prioritize paying off first? And how much do they need to pay? How to add utility bill payment history or even subscription services to their credit report to add more credit history, showing positive payments. How to open accounts that they may need to have on their credit report so they have a proper credit mix, and anything in between. Along with that, we're also providing them an educational video series that goes for a series of 8 weeks. In addition, we have a written educational series too. Some people like to learn by video, some like to learn by writing, and so we just like to make sure we can accommodate all learning styles. And then again, anytime they want a consultation, we're available for that, and then our goal is to also keep you in the loop along the way until they're ready. Once again, this is Ivory, owner of Incite Strategies Credit Repair. We're looking forward to working with you.